Have you ever wondered why students who study more usually get better marks? Or why when price go up, demand goes down? Is it just coincidence or is there a pattern behind it? Today we are going to uncover one of the most powerful concepts in statistics, correlation and regression in the simplest way possible. And by the end of this video, you will not only understand it, you will be able to explain it like a pro. Welcome back to the channel. Today's lecture is about correlation and regression, a must-known topic for students of statistics, business and economics. Let's start from the basic, step by step. And what is correlation? Correlation measures the strength and direction of relationship between two variables. In simple words, we can say that it tells us two things move together or not. For example, study hours and marks. That's the correlation. Now we move to the types of correlation. The first one is that positive correlation. When both variables move in the same direction. For example, more study, more marks, more exercise, more better health, more experience, higher salary. Both go up or both go down. Now we can have negative correlation when variable move in opposite direction. For example, more screen time, less sleep, higher price, lower demand. One goes up, the other one goes down. And the next one is that we have zero correlation when there is no relationship between variables. For example, shoe size versus intelligence. It means they have no connection. Now we can see correlation coefficient denoted by small r. Correlation is measured using a value called r and its range from +1 to -1. +1 positive correlation, -1 perfect negative correlation. 0 mean zero correlation. It's mean no correlation. For example, r is equal to 0.9. It's called strong positive. For example, another one r is equal to minus 0.8. It means strong negative correlation. And r is equal to 0. It means no relationship. We can see scatter plots. A scatter plot is a graph using dots to show relationship. Using dots to show relationship. For example, x-axis is equal to study hours and y-axis is equal to marks. You will see the trend visually. To what is regression? Regression is used to predict one variable based on another. For example, predict marks using study hours. And we can take the key idea correlation is equal to relationship and regression is equal to prediction. Variables in regression. The first one is that dependent variable y. The variable we want to predict. For example, marks depend on study hours. And another one is that independent variable. The variable used to make prediction x. For example, study hours. You can see the regression line, a straight line that best represents the relationship. Now we have the regression formula y is equal to a plus bx where y is equal to dependent variable, x is equal to independent variable, a is an intercept and b is a slope. For example, marks is equal to 20 plus 5 multiplied by study hours. If student studies 10 hours, marks is equal to 20 plus 5 multiplied by 10. The answer is that 70. Now we can see slope. Slope tells how much y changes when x increases by 1. For example, b is equal to 5. 1 extra hour study, 5 more marks. Now we can see intercept value of y when x is equal to 0. For example, a is equal to 20. Even without study, student gets 20 marks. Difference between actual and predicted value. We can see another example predicted 80 and actual 75. and our residuals are 5. Now we can see the key difference correlation versus is regression. Correlation are features purpose, output direction. Correlation measure the relationship and the R value is -1 to +1 and both are equal. Now we can see the regression predict value. An equation is that y is equal to a plus bx and one dependent on another. For example, teacher analyzes study hours and marks. Correlation, are they related? And regression, how much marks will increase. Now you have learned what is correlation, types of correlation, correlation coefficient, scatter plots, regression basics, formula, slope, intercept and residual. This is the foundation of data analysis. If you have found this helpful, like the video. Comment your question, subscribe for more lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss about regression analysis details type. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.